Ateti 33 nĩo marĩ na tigiti wa kĩama kĩa UDA kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado, na rĩu nĩ manyitanĩire na kuga nĩ mekũiga ngurani ciao thĩ na kũrutithania wĩra me hamwe, makĩria gũteithanĩrĩria gwĩka kambeni nĩguo othe maiyũkie iturwa iria marenda.
We came here to know each other, to bond as one family, the UDA family, and also to strategize and agree to move together as one party, one family, and support each other, support the party from the MCA positions to the presidential candidate position.
Giturwa kia gavana kirahũranĩrwo nĩ Katore Metito, ũrĩa ũrarĩ ihenya-inĩ marĩ na mũmbunge wa Kajiado ya irathĩro Peris Tobiko erĩ marĩ kĩama-inĩ kĩa UDA. Rĩu akiuga nĩ eharĩirie kũrutithania wĩra nginya na arĩa marahotirwo ithurano-inĩ cia wamũrani.
Not all of us here were for Kato. Some supported Olemeja, some supported Honorable Peris, and we are now all here as one team, the UDA team. So definitely we will plead with everyone to support us as a party.
Ningependa pia kuwaomba wale ambao wameweza pia kukimbia katika independent waweze kurudi, tuweze kuwa pamoja ili tuwe na movement ambayo itaweza kuja kusaidia wananchi wa kaunti yetu ya Kajiado.
Najua hata naye Mheshimiwa Peris atakuja tu kujiunga nasi kwa sababu tuko team na hajatoka kwa party, kwa hivyo hajaenda kwingine baada ya UDA, kwa hivyo najua ni mmoja wetu.
Hamwe na ũguo atongoria aya nĩmeranĩire kũiga thayũ hĩndĩ ya kambeni ciao.
And we are committed that we are going to support the candidates of the party from MCA to the president.
Sisi tuna nia ya kufanya kampeni ya amani, kampeni ya kuuza sera, kampeni ya kuambia Wakenya jinsi tunataka kubadilisha maisha yao kama wakaaji wa Kajiado.
Moving forward, najua ni platform ya sisi vijana kujiprove in terms of leadership, na given this opportunity tunajua tutajiprove na tutaweza kusonga mbele hata katika hii career ya uongozi.
Rĩrĩ nĩrĩo rita rĩa mbere atongoria arĩa othe mararirũkirie bendera ya kĩama kĩa UDA gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado macemanĩtie handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV. Njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.